Gustav. Good morning, people. Gustav was already swimming in the lake. Swimming is very important. I tell you why. First of all, you're moving your body. You're moving all your body. Second, your ears get in water. And then you have the balance. And the balance is very important for your human being. The older you get, the more less balanced you are. But with help of water, you can get back into balance. Third, you are navigating all your brain into the water. And you are from water of your mother's stomach. So you are already born in water. And then you go back into water. This is why it is very important for you to swim. More often you can, the better. This is my advice for this summer to you. Every week, one time swimming. Gustav.